Alright, so we just brought it, the mantle in, just to, dry fit it, see how it looks. Doesn't look too bad. There are my electrical switches on the end here, right? This one's for the lights that I'm going to put in, or that I have in there. And that's for the Christmas lights, or whatever. The second switch powers these outlets. And this is a pretty good looking piece of wood. Looks like one big timber. Not bad. Fits really nice up against the wall. Crooked old wall. So that's good. So now all I have left to do is put a 2x4 on the wall right beneath here, so I have something to screw into, because it's kind of wobbly right now. It would drop off if we weren't holding it. And I think, like I told you, I put a male plug on this part, a female plug in the wall, so I can just plug this in when we're ready. I actually could do it right now and test the lights, make sure it's all wired right. And we spent a lot of time testing stains and all of the different markings that we could put on this to distress it. And I'll do that next. But right now I want to plug it in, make sure it's all wired properly, and then start working on the staining and the distressing of it. Talk to you then.